Okay, everybody, so I'm really excited to walk you guys through Canva. I have been using Canva for a little less than 6 months, and I literally use it every single day. So if you are brand new and you don't know what Canva is a content creation website, everything from flyers to email headers to Instagram posts, you name it, gift certificates, baby invitations, whatever. And we use this for a handful of stuff in our life. And I just want to kind of walk you through how to use it and maximize with it. So when you log in, this is going to be your home screen, your login screen. Right after you log in, this is your dashboard. I'm going to call it the dashboard. Your dashboard shows all of your recent work, which is under your designs. Create Design is basically where you can go. When you click on this, it's going to show you all your options from social media, documents, personal, marketing, events. So they have it by category. The other thing that you can do is you can do what's called Create a Design, and you can just start typing things. Let's do Instagram. Instagram, it's going to show that you can do stories, that you can do a post. I'm going to click story. And under story, this is where it starts getting really, really awesome. They have for you like preset stories. All of these are customizable. So I'm going to do see all for clean, minimalistic Instagram story. I'm going to click on here. And then it's going to show you even more options. You can apply all 8 pages, which basically replicates all of them over here. Or you can totally go through and delete ones that you actually don't want to use, okay? So you have the ability to name them, to title them. Let's call this My Trip to Belize, right? And I have pictures from my trip. Obviously, these are pictures that aren't mine. They're preset. But that's another cool feature is that you can click on an image. You can head over to the left, click on photos. When you click photos, this is all of their stock photos. Some are free, some are paid. If you want to upload your own photos, you're going to click on uploads, and uploads is going to reflect anything that you've uploaded recently in the past, including videos, which is really incredible. We use this for our Instagram, TV, and our YouTube creation, so we can share it across platforms. Okay. Let's go back to the homepage. Back on the dashboard, you can create folders. So we have stuff for our boudoir side of Living Radiant, promos and giveaways, YouTube stuff. We have presets on Etsy. We even have an Airbnb. So this is kind of cool. This is all the signage that we have made for our Airbnb called the Duchess. You guys can check it out on Airbnb. But this is what's in our welcome kit. And what's really cool about this is actually like a magazine template that we designed within Canva, multi-pages, made it really awesome. So there's a lot of customization within Canva. I absolutely love it. Because we use it for business, if you click on Brand Kit over here on the left, you can bring in all of your logos. You can bring in brand fonts. You can bring in your brand colors. Underneath templates have, again, this is by category. There's even logos in here. Not that I would recommend pulling one of these. I always say go get one from somebody, but anything from flyers to cards, happy birthday, like if you want to send like a quick memo to a friend, it's so incredibly easy to use. I can't even begin to explain. So let's just create something on our own. So we're going to create a design. We are going to let's do an invitation. Let's pretend that I need to do an invitation for a baby shower. So there's wedding, which is so wild. I think that's really funny. Anyway, birthday, and I'm going to do, I don't see baby shower, so I'm going to type baby and search. And this is what comes up. And what's cool about this is that you guys have the ability to go in and like customize these. So this one's really cute. I'm going to click it. It replicates over here. You can select, you can redo names. So let's pretend I'm making a baby shower invitation for myself. Maggie Nolan. We can put the date in. You can change where it is. So I'm going to put Janet Hoffman, who's my mom. You can put address, email, phone number, where I'm registered. So I'm actually going to do Target and Amazon. Okay, so this is the shower invite. Now, this is where it gets really cool. If you click on the actual like image color block, you can go up here and change the color Let's do not black, let's do blush, okay? Let's say that I don't really like this imagery, okay? This is an element that someone made. We can go over here to the left-hand side to element, and I'm going to type in flowers, okay? And you're going to see really quickly. So this one, do I like this one better? Let's see. Let's swap it out and see what happens. I think I might. So we're going to do this. There's like a little floral crown here. We're going to delete the one down here. Let's click up here. You're going to hold down Option and drag it down, and it duplicates it, okay? And I'm using an iMac. That might help. But so simple. Someone already had a template for me. I'm not paying hundreds of dollars in invitations, and I can send this via email, because one of the best parts about Canva is that, see up here it says print cards. There's a drop arrow over here that you're going to click. It's also going to give you options to download, put it to a Facebook page. So I'm going to do download. It's going to give me options for printing, PNG, JPEG, PDF standard, even a video, which is cool because you can turn things into video, or I could have a cute little video message that I add in here that's like, welcome to my baby shower, right? So welcome. Let's see if there's like a cute little, who knows what this one is. Maybe that's, yep, that doesn't work. But you get the point. Let's do a baby. Let's do a baby. Oh my gosh, we're going to type free because I want to see what's free. And let's see what this shows. Some kid on a boat or a train. Yep, let's not do it. No videos. But anyway, you guys get the point. And this is Canva, just one example. Let's go back to our homepage. I hope this was helpful. There's so much you can do. I encourage you guys to sign up. It's actually free to use. I just paid for the professional version because I wanted to be able to bring in my brand kit and my colors. I wanted to be able to like have multiple folders. And I create a lot of content. I have, again, everything from Airbnb stuff to client to boudoir. I just have a lot of content. But hopefully that helps you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos.